the new trolling motor upgrade. So let's see what it is, shall we? Let's see where it's from. So let's see what it is and where it's from. Rated output 600 watts, 12 volts. This one's the 55-pound model, 54-inch shaft. This is the Haswing Cayman B GPS model. It's got the spot lock. Comes with the Bluetooth remote, the wireless remote, accessories that you can buy for it. There's also a foot pedal, so you can go hands-free. Let me show you what I'm working with here. Alright. Just unboxed. Alright, and this kit, this has the quick release bracket. Looks like the instructions are just on the back here. Simple instructions here. Tells you how to mount the center puck. All the components that comes with it. Quick release bracket, center puck, bracket bolt, and some of the basic hardware that comes with it. There's that. So you can lock it onto the boat also. Lock it onto the puck. Alright, there's that. Now, let's get further into this box. Oh, here's a tie-down strap. That's just a tie-down strap for it, just to stabilize it. Okay. Toss that to the side. Then we got the wireless remote controller. Okay. There's a Bluetooth. Looks like the Bluetooth ID. Waterproof plug. And USB charging. So, there's USB charging for that. Alright, what else we got in here? This thing is pretty big, 54-inch. I really don't need the 54-inch. Some type of thumb screw. That looks like the little fin, the skeg that you mount on it, on the motor assembly itself. That looks like some anodes right there. Maybe some sacrificial anodes. Looks like to me. Alright, we'll find out. Put that to the side. Okay, everything looks good. Everything checks out. Looks like all the pieces are here at least. Doesn't look damaged from shipping. Looks pretty good. These welds look really nice. And this aluminum housing. Welds look good. Definitely not damaged. All around a sweet looking unit here. I am still waiting on transom mount converter bracket, and you can buy it off their website, but I happen to buy this one in particular, this adapter, off of eBay. So here are all the parts that come with it, and the good thing about it, they give you 2 sets. They give you double washers, the whole nother set. You get an extra washer, the pin, the sacrificial anode right here. You get 2 sets of that. Oh, and there you go. Ooh, magic. There you go. There you go. You get 2 sets of it. I'm only going to use 1 set to install the prop. And of course you got the little fin here. Has to get installed also. Got lock washers and everything, of course. So here's the instructions here. It's got the sacrificial anode here, stainless washer, and the nut. And to tighten the nut, you're gonna need a 13 millimeter. You can use this. They came with the trolling motor. They actually supply you the tool. Pin goes there. You get your grooves. Okay, that's on. Your stainless washer. Actually, sacrificial anode goes next. Then the stainless washer. And then your lock nut. Let's go ahead and tighten that down. I'm going to use my tool. There we go. Nice and snug. That's on. Easy peasy. Loosen these up. Okay. So we're kind of on the wrong side here. So, what is a guide to do? Go ahead and feed this through. It like locks in place. Did you get it on there? That's ready to go. Next video, we'll be installing it.